comparable to an earlier exercise we did, which was the toe ankle exercise. If your first time is seeing this video, pause here, go click onto the toe ankle video, which I'll link in the profile, and do that for a little while, and then in a few days come back here, resume, and follow along. If you've done that one before, we're going to hop into this toe ankle exercise with a slight variation, which is to add the knee. So we're going to do toe ankle knee exercises. Toe ankle knee is all about looking at how we move and how we walk, looking at our stepping through, how the toes up to the ankle to the knee, eventually into the hips, have that sort of pattern of movement. And a lot of times we develop holding patterns or ways of moving less efficient based on all very good reasons, injuries, scares, surgeries, whatever it is that we pick up, and that becomes our default pattern. It doesn't have to be, and sometimes it becomes less beneficial, but it's all that we know. So by lying on the ground and working with gravity in a different relation and doing these exercises, you can help retrain your body to find more efficient, more easy movements. Sounds really simple. It is. It also isn't, because as we're developing these repatterning, sometimes some movements we just don't know how to do, and that's where the fun is, but that's also where the difficulty is. We're going to start by lying on our back and then running through the exercise. Shouldn't take too much time. Should hopefully be a little fun. Are you with me? Cool. Come meet me on your back and we'll start there. Okay. So following on from our last exercise of toes, ankle, ankle, toes, we're going to build on a little bit, throwing in the knee to the mix. So same, toe, ankle, adding the knee in, knee up, keeping the ankle and toe engaged, letting the knee come down, ankle away, toes away. Again, toes up, ankle, knee, knee down, ankle, toes. Trying to find a rhythmic, smooth motion, keeping the heel on the ground as you bring the knee in, sliding away, ankle, toes. Let's do one more time. Toe, ankle, knee, knee, ankle, toe. And then let it rest. Doing a quick scan, noticing how does one side feel versus the other side, the active versus the passive side. And then let's go over to that other side. For me, it'll be the left. And from here, toes, ankle, knee, knee, ankle, toes, toes, ankle, knee, knee down, ankle down, toes down. As being my more difficult side, sometimes it gets a little tricky on which way wants to go first, and that's good actually. That's showing that I need more work. It's the same for you. If you end up getting a little stuck sometimes, maybe the toes want to go down first. That's just showing you the pattern you have that's wired in, and we're working to change that wiring. Working on finding more optimal and efficient patterns of movement. Knee down, ankle down, toe down. Let's do one more time. Toes, ankle, knee, knee, ankle, toes. And then let everything rest as they are. You can shake the legs a little bit up and down or roll them side to side. Toes can squeeze in and out. Ankles may move. Just letting the body do what it needs to do. and coming back into your lying position. So that's what we're going to practice with for today. And again, like most of the other exercises, it's a practice you can keep coming back to. It's not like you just do it once, but you start to put it as part of your day. Maybe start to do it a few times a week. What you're working to do is to help reorganize some of the patterns of movement that your body has learned, some stabilizing, as well as some other patterns that may be less than optimal. So, ways to increase better movement, easier movement. I'll recommend, if this is the first time you're seeing these videos, I'll have a link in this post to find the previous one of toe ankle exercise. Do that one first for a little while, then move on to toe ankle knee, which is what we have here, and then working with this for a while. You can always go back to the other one. This is a little more working with movement, thinking about how do we move when we step through our foot, through our toe, and having the knee move up. This is a way of working with walking, ultimately, changing how we do it based on our relation with gravity as well as other forces going on. So as always, please click the like button and leave comments if you enjoyed. Click subscribe to get the newer content as it comes out. As always, just thank you for being you. Hope these are adding benefit in your life. I'll see you at one of our next videos, or maybe I'll see you at one of our earlier videos. Whatever it is, have yourself a great day out there. Bye.